special cheer. Winter, spring, and summer too. Autumn leaves of red and blue. Winter comes with chilly snow, hats and mittens when we go. Snowflakes twirl and gently fall, making fun for one and all. Springtime blooms with flowers bright, butterflies take gentle flight. Raindrops tap and skies turn blue. Baby birds chirp, how do you do? Seasons change throughout the year, each one brings its special cheer.